Good evening. I am here today to share a wonderful experience and much more. I was 5 when I visited the Museum of Fine Arts in Boston, Massachusetts. This museum prides itself holding 45,000 artworks, which for me at that age was massive and mind-boggling. How do I remember these things at that age? Frankly speaking, I don't know. Well, what I did know was that art is defined as a human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form, primarily for the beauty or emotional power. Albert Einstein once said, "Art is standing with one hand extended into the universe and the other hand extended into the world, letting ourselves be a conduit for passing energy." The true essence of this course sunk in when I visited the Jahangir Art Gallery at the age of 9. When I walked in, I realized that there weren't just paintings, there was much more to them. I realized that there has been an evolution of art over the past 40 years. I want you all to just compare. What was art like back in those days and what is art now in this generation? What is the significance of art in the generation today? Well, a lot of artists have found changes in art over the past years. In those days, art was a small specialized ghetto, and in the 21st century, it has become an important role in economic and industrial sector, and also playing a major role in urban planning and tourism. The artists who were an outsider during those days are now respectable, liberal art, and is now a profession and a career to everybody. The contemporary art world has shifted from the periphery of capitalist society to becoming a full-fledged part of its growing entertainment sector, along with pop music, fashion, and film. Learning about artists and life through art, we can make sense of things and reappropriating our ideas from all archives. According to me, today art justifies our impulses, our non-direct impulses, our non-direct need towards beauty, our non-direct need to create something that has never existed before and would not exist if not for us. The word beauty I used is a companion of art. If we define beauty as a balance, an impulse towards order, and the recognition of world's rightness, despite the everyday wrongness, seems to inundate us. Art from now, a decade from now, I feel it is going to be something very different and very unique. Art from now might be ones and zeros in computers, something only humans could dream of, something robots might do for us. Today, art redeems our species. Thank you.